Holly, here we are going down the other side. These are all the stores you can probably see in the U.S. They got theaters on both ends of the building. It's huge. Place is huge. Spotlessly clean. Look at this. So if you see a price, let me show you. It says $259. Divide it by 50. So that'd be like $6. Pharmacy. There's a manicure and massage place. Haircuts. Look at all the huge screen TVs, all kinds of appliances. Kettle corn, candy. It's just like a nice place in the States. There's a SM, that's the main mall shopping area. They have everything. Clothes, jewelry, shoes. It started out like 60 years ago called Shoe Mart. That's why you get the SM name, Shoe Mart. Some kind of a promotion booth there. Watches and watch bands. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Nailaholics, nail salon and spa. Yeah, see, we have Ace Hardware here. Some solar lights. Everything you can buy there. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to go to the hardware.
Okay.
Here's the hardware.
Okay. Okay, goodbye.